Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that you might encounter when working with data in poolers. The issue at hand is when you're trying to concatenate three list columns in a lazy frame, but those lists often contain null values. As a result, you end up with null values in the concatenated column, which can throw a wrench in your data processing plans. Now, onto the solution. The key here is to use the fill_null method in poolers to handle those pesky null values. By incorporating pl.concat_list, pl_call, list_calls.fill_null.alias, merge, you can effectively fill the null values with an empty list instead. This clever approach ensures that you can concatenate the lists seamlessly, even when dealing with null values. In summary, with the power of fill_null in poolers, you can conquer the challenge of concatenating lists with null values and create a more robust data processing workflow. Keep this handy trick in your toolkit for future data manipulation tasks. And remember, a little empty list can go a long way in avoiding null-related headaches. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!